Hi, I'm Sean. Welcome to the shed. Follow me down the drive. A couple of jobs I need to do today. One is a big tidy up because I've been rearranging things and I've got some empty boxes and rubbish lying around. I need to get them out of the burning pile so we can have a bit of a fire tonight, since this is a lovely evening. I need to make my cross cut sled for my table saw. Okay, so that was my first foray into making a video for YouTube for a bit of the woodworking. It's a bit dirty. The table saw does the job, managed to get it square all the way around, and each side is parallel to the other, and it appears to be at right angles. There are other ways to check it. Didn't do the 5-cut method properly, but it does what I need it to do for now. At the moment I have issues with my table saw and the fact that the mitre tracks are very narrow. It's a very old Elektra Beckum table saw. I believe it's probably 20 plus years old. I'm looking to upgrade my table saw when I get a chance, but this is the one I have had for the last couple of years, and it's done the job so far. I've got a few more projects coming up as I start to build out the rest of my workshop. I've got to continue the actual build of my mitre bench. I've already started, as you can see behind me. I need to do the second wing and put all the T tracking in to enable me to have bench stops on it to do repeated cuts. I've got a new thicknesser. I need to make a table for that. My drill press needs a new table, and I need to just tidy up in here and get all the gardening stuff out of the workshop back into the shed once I've fixed the shed. So lots of little projects coming up, trying to get this place tidy so it looks a bit more presentable. I'll catch you all guys soon. Please subscribe if you'd like to, and watch me on my crazy journey.